Welcome to Miami, the Magic City, where turquoise waters meet neon lights and every day feels like summer. Let's start with the iconic South Beach. Golden sand, palm trees, and pastel-colored lifeguard towers. It's Miami's most famous stretch. Walk along Ocean Drive, lined with Art Deco buildings, restaurants, and nightlife. Speaking of architecture, this is the Art Deco Historic District. Over 800 preserved buildings from the 1930s and 40s make up this one-of-a-kind neighborhood. Colorful, quirky, and full of charm. It's a photographer's dream. Next stop, Wynwood, Miami's creative heartbeat. Once a warehouse owned, now it's an outdoor art museum. At Wynwood Walls, murals by world-renowned street artists explode with color and culture. There are galleries and some of the trendiest boutiques in town. Now, for a taste of Cuba, welcome to Little Havana. On Calle Oco, sip Cuban coffee, watch locals play dominoes in Domino Park, and listen to live salsa bands. Don't forget to try a Cuban sandwich or some pep. Down by the bay, you'll find Bayside Marketplace, a waterfront hub of shops, eateries, and live music. From here, hop on a boat tour to cruise around Biscayne Bay, past celebrity mansions, Star Island, and the stunning skyline. Feeling the heat, head to Coral Gables and take a dip in the historic Venetian pool. Built in 1924 from a coral rock quarry, this spring-fed pool feels like a Mediterranean escape. Also in Coral Gables is Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a stunning Edelin-style villa with lush gardens and views of the bay. Built in the early 1900s, it's like stepping into a European dream. If you're craving nature, the Everglades are just a short drive away. Take an airboat ride through the wetlands and spot alligators, exotic birds, and incredible wildlife. It's Florida's wild side, and totally unforgettable. When the sun sets, Miami lights up. From rooftop lounges in Brickell to Latin dance clubs in Little Havana, this city knows how to party. But Miami's soul is more than nightlife. It's a blend of cultures, art, nature, and pure joy. Thanks for joining us in sunny Miami. Leave a comment with your favorite spot and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next travel adventure. From the beach to the bay. See you soon.